Hi guys, this is Ananya and welcome back to my channel.
First of all, obviously, you can't lose your weight within a week or 2 weeks. It takes time. It is impossible to lose your entire weight within a week. So, stop searching for such videos how to reduce the weight quickly in 1 week. That is not practically going to happen.
First, you need to know few things before you start your journey. That is really crucial and important. Do you think every food takes same amount of time to digest? Of course not. Fruits take about 3 hours to digest. Vegetables take a little longer time, 6 hours to digest. Grains, which includes rice, wheat, roti, bread, etc., they take about 15 hours to digest.
I start my day with early morning detox drink. It differs from day to day. I like to prefer coconut water or lemon water or green tea. Lemon with hot water I prefer the most because it's my favorite. Next, I go for my workout. It's not like you have to go hit the gym, workout continuously to lose your weight. Even you can do your workout in your home.
Exercising is really important when it comes to your weight loss journey. And there are two kinds of people when it comes to exercising. First kind who hate exercises and consider it as a punishment. By the way, that's me. Second kind who loves exercising but have no control over their food. For the first kind, I would like to suggest do something what you love, like dancing, yoga, sports, anything that you love for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour, like just to stay fit and healthy.
I just made a habit of following this chart. For breakfast, you can have anything like poha, upma, idli, oatmeal, but eating in a right portion is important. And with a small bowl of fruits which are available in your local market with 2 egg whites or sprouts. Drinking at least 3 liters of water a day is very essential. We all know about it, yet we don't follow it. Drinking more water will be really helpful in order to lose your weight. For lunch, you can have chapati, brown rice with more quantity of curry. For the dinner, you can have some soup or salad. Because of the lifestyle that we have today, it is very difficult to manage a fit and healthy routine. I can completely understand it and I can totally relate with it. With a hectic schedule, people miss their meals, which can lead to nutrition imbalance. Plan your schedule and make time for your exercise. Correct your eating habits by avoiding processed food. A research says that people don't get fat because of the regular meals. It's because of the craving and binging habits makes them fat. Choose your eating habits that will help you in maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
Few tips I just wanted to share with you all, which I followed during my weight loss journey. Tip number one is planning. I feel that planning is really crucial. So, write your goals that you wanted to achieve, the ideal weight you wanted. Tip number two is don't starve yourself. Instead, you can binge on some healthy options like fruits, nuts. Say no to sugar and processed food that includes bread, cheese, tea, coffee, biscuits, namkeens, anything that doesn't come from the nature. Eat water-rich food, eat plant-based food, and avoid eating more salt. Eat protein-rich food like green peas, chickpea salad, quinoa, soya milk, sprouts, egg whites, peanuts, chana dal in order to avoid your hair fall during your journey. Next step is switching your plate. Instead of having your meal in a large plate, switch it to a small size one so that you can control your eating habits. Next step is be active. Don't sit in a same position for a very long time. Just engage yourself in some work. Last step is avoid the food that contains maida like Maggi and avoid oily food. It's okay to have a cheat meal, but have it in a very limited portion of quantity. So yes, that's about this video. I hope you find my video useful and don't forget to hit the notification bell along with the subscribe button. So stay fit and stay healthy.